Okay, so we are doing this, but quickly, let me just tell you about PSLE. Even I think right now, we are supposed to be doing questions, which consists of okay, you might want to take note. And then booklet B. All right, booklet B, it's I think it's usually up to question 42, around there. Okay, so booklet B, okay, maybe I just don't write down the number of questions. It's around for up to 42, maybe just about 14 questions. Okay, this is a total of 56 marks. And then this is 44 marks. So altogether, it's 100 marks, right? So you look at how many marks there are for booklet A. Tell me something about booklet A. If Jason, you can do all the questions, you got it all correct. What happens to you? Have you already passed your PSLE science? Yes or not? Yeah, 56 marks or 100 means you pass already, right? So do you see that actually booklet A, the MCQs are very important because every question is 2 marks. You realize that or you didn't know? You didn't know, now you know, huh? So MCQ, you have to be very careful because it is a high weightage. Because if you can do all these 28 questions, you already have 56. Yeah. So the rest are found here. If you make little mistake, you can still get your AL1. You know that? Okay. So let's look at our first question now. Oxygen. Where's Jiaqi? I can't see Jiaqi's face. I cannot see Kenny's face also. Where are you? Good. I can see you now, Kenny. How come you suddenly appear? Were you sitting by the side? Yeah, no. Okay. Okay, oxygen is absorbed into the blood and carbon dioxide is removed from the blood through our, which organ is it? I see mistakes here. Some of you actually thought that it's A. Okay. Some of you, okay, actually thought that it's C. All right, what is the correct answer? Answer is B, right now. Binuli says B, right? Okay, so yes, this is the correct answer. You should have written down or chosen B. Yeah, because it's at the lungs, where oxygen is absorbed into the blood. Okay, the exchange of gases happens in the lungs, not in the heart. Okay, and cannot be in the nose. All right, take note of this. A boy carried out the activities as shown in the picture below. He would probably have the lowest heart rate when he was, see, this one is like, okay, very tiring. Okay, first one is very tiring. Last one also very tiring. So now you choose between B and C. Okay, what is he doing in C? Someone tell me? Yes, Jati.
He is running.
Running? Why is he running? Jati, why is he running, Jati?
I don't know.
It's raining, right? And then he doesn't like it in the rain, right? How about all of you? Do you like it in the rain? When it's raining, what would you do? You will go very fast, right? Either you walk faster or you will run, isn't it? Why is that so? Because you want to find what?
You want to find shelter so you don't get wet.
Very good. Running to a shelter. Okay. Good. So you all can see that he is running. So which one will actually lead him to have the lowest heart rate? A, B, C, or D? Must be B, right? Okay, because this one is a very relaxed activity. Now, question 3, which type of muscular tubes in our body carry blood rich in oxygen away from our heart? Answer is actually this. Okay. So if you are not sure of this, that's all right. Don't worry about this. Okay, these are actually a term for blood vessel. This is one of the blood vessels. Okay, so this is one of the blood vessels, arteries. You will only learn such terms when you are in secondary school. Right now, you only need to know blood is moving within the arteries. Yeah, and then go around the body. You don't need to know which veins, you don't need to know which artery, but you need to know them when you're in secondary school. Not now. Okay, which of the following statements explain the importance of water in our body? Water, extremely important because without water, digestion cannot take place well. Okay? It is an essential component of our blood. Of course it is. It gives us energy. Water does not give us energy. It is food that gives us energy. Okay, so this one is not true. It helps in transporting digested food and nutrients around our body. Yes, this is true. So our answer will be A, B, and D. All right. So this part okay? Hannah? After Jeremy skipped for 20 times, 40 times, and 60 times, he recorded his number of heartbeats per minute in the table below. All right, so this is what he has put down. Which of the following statements explains why there is a change in the number of heartbeats per minute? Let me just see your answer. I have some of your answers here. Just want to see that you got it right. Question 5. Okay. Seems like it's okay. Jiaqi typed in the answer. Good. Because I don't see Jiaqi's worksheet here, but he is trying to make up for it, right? Somebody wrote down Jeremy is hungry. There's one person who wrote down Jeremy is hungry. What do you think is the answer, Siran? Over here. How come the heartbeat actually increase? So Siran, let me see your answer here. Because he is moving more. When someone is moving more, right? Okay. When someone is moving more, that person will need more energy, isn't it? Correct or not? So to keep up with the way he is moving, okay, he needs more energy. So you say moving is right. But why is it important? Because when you are moving, your body cells will need more food, right? For the energy, isn't it? Yep. So the blood must carry digested food as well as oxygen to the muscles so that the muscles can keep up with the work. Okay, so that you can continue to go on skipping and you won't like collapse on the floor and say, I can't do it anymore. Right now, you don't want to play for a short while and then you have to stop and sit there. Right? When you're playing, you want to continue playing for a while. So you need the energy. That's why your heart will work faster. Okay, or shall I say will work harder, pump more blood that carries oxygen as well as digested food to all parts of the body that it is required. Okay, so this is the answer. Okay, more increased circulation of blood. You might want to write down because you need to also learn how to explain, because in booklet B, they will ask you. Okay, and there's one more function as well. Waste products will be like carbon dioxide, okay, that needs to be removed, right? So the blood circulation serves to carry more oxygen and digested food to all parts of the body, and at the same time, to help remove the waste product. So the blood will carry carbon dioxide from all parts of the body back to the lungs. Yes, Ken, Siran, yes, please go. Soon you will be seeing questions like that, okay, to explain why heartbeat must be higher. And then you might even need to explain why different age group, right, have different kind of heartbeat. Okay, done? Okay, so this one, what would you do for this? So look at each system first. Look at human system P, human system Q, okay? Human system P says that food is processed until it can be absorbed, okay? So food needs to be processed until it can be absorbed. It can be absorbed over here, seems like these are the digested food, right? So digested food can be absorbed, right? So what actually helps to digest food? Which system helps to digest food? What do you think? Yes, Vinuli?
Digestive system.
That's right. So write down digestive system. So what about Q? Q actually helps to transport food to all parts of the body. Okay? Helps to transport food to all parts of the body. This must be the circulatory system, right? Where you have the blood carrying the digested food and move all around the body. So all parts of the body will get the digested food, and that will be the energy for all parts of our body to function. So now you know already, P refers to digestive system, Q refers to circulatory system. So what are they over here? Digestive system, and then circulatory system. Answer is C. Any question here? Siran, you got this right? You didn't? Okay. What went wrong, Siran? Is it because you didn't identify correctly? So you go step by step. First thing is you are looking at two systems now. Okay, you need to identify each of them first. So the first step is to step one. Identify each system. Okay, then step two, after you identify the system already, right? Step two, you must know what are all right. Okay, identify each system. How do you identify each system? You noted how I actually underline certain words, which will help me to find my answer. Did you all do that? Wayla, did you do that? You did that also, right? Yeah. And then Vinuli, did you do that also? Okay, you must do all these. So after you have noted the words, it will help you to find the answer.